Now the last step. So let's analyze the cube. The face is done. The first and second layer is done. We have the yellow cross done. The centers are aligned. The corners are in all of them in the correct place, but two of them are in the wrong orientation. So we flip the cube upside down and we play the right hand algorithm applied to the corners which are in the wrong orientation till the yellow goes on the bottom. So we do like this. Okay, now this is here. Then we don't move the cube. We pay attention. We do this, this, and this till we reach the other corner that was in the wrong position, and we play again the algorithm until it goes in the correct place. And now the cube is done. Okay, happy cube.